Good morning, children. I hope you all safe at home. Already we learned about physical quantities. Is it? What are physical quantities? Quantities that can be measured are called physical quantities. It has two types. What are they? Fundamental quantities and derived quantities. And also we studied about measurement of volume. Do you know what is volume? The amount of space occupied by an area is called volume. What is the SI unit of volume? Meter cube. That means cubic meter. Meter into meter into meter. That is SI unit of volume. Today we are going to study about measurement of area. Okay? Measurement of area. What is area? The amount of surface covered by a closed shape. The amount of surface covered by a closed shape. That means square, rectangle, triangle, circle. These are the closed shapes. Okay. What is the SI unit of area? The SI unit of area is square meter. That means meter square. Meter into meter. Do you remember SI unit of volume is meter cube. SI unit of area is meter square. That is square meter. Next, small areas such as a piece of paper are measured in square centimeter. A piece of paper or kerchief or notebook, we can use the unit of centimeter. Okay, the symbol is centimeter square. In large area such as city or country are measured in square kilometer. What is that? Square kilometer. The symbol is kilometer square. This is the smaller area, square centimeter, that is centimeter square. Large area, we should use the kilometer, square kilometer or kilometer square. Another one unit is hectare. Listen, now we studied about area. What is area? The amount of surface covered by a closed shape. What is the SI unit of area? Square meter. What is the symbol of that? Meter square. In the small areas, we have to use the SI unit is square centimeter. That is called centimeter square. Next, in the large area, square kilometer. That is symbol is kilometer square. Or another one is hectare. Okay, next, relationship between other units and SI units of area. Relationship between other units and SI unit of area. Here 1 centimeter square, how we will divide 1 centimeter square equal to, here 2 centimeter, centimeter into centimeter. So we have to divide 1 centimeter into 1 centimeter. Do you know we have one formula, already we know that. One meter equal to 100 centimeter. So 1 centimeter equal to 1 by 100 meter. Already we know this formula, is it? So 1 centimeter equal to 1 centimeter square equal to 1 centimeter into 1 centimeter. For 1 centimeter we have to put the number 1 by 100 meter into one more 1 centimeter. So 1 by 100 meter. Listen here, 1 by 100 into 1 by 100 meter. Is it? So 1 by 100 meter is equal to, then we have to multiply this two. 1 into 1 by 100 into 100 meter square. How it came here meter square? Meter into meter. So here meter square. Now we have to multiply this two. 1 into 1, 1 by 100 into 100, 10,000. 10,000 meter square. Then how we will add this number? How we have to divide this number? In decimal, we have to use here 4 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. So when we divide this number here, this is 0.00 0.01 meter square. Okay, we have to divide this number. We will get this answer 0.0001 meter square. This is the relationship between other unit and SI unit of area. Here we used only the centimeter. Then we will get the answer in the meter square. 1 centimeter square equal to 0.0001 meter square. Okay, next question. 1 kilometer square equal to 1 kilometer into 1 kilometer. Here kilometer square. So 2 kilometers. So 1 kilometer into 1 kilometer. Already we know this formula. 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meter. Okay, 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meter. So instead of 1 kilometer, we have to write here 1000 meter into once again 1 kilometer. So again we have to write 1000 meter. We have to multiply this 1000 into 1000 meter square. Why we have to write here meter square? Because meter into meter is equal to meter square. Okay. Next one is 1 hectare. 1 hectare is equal to 1 hectometer into 1 hectometer. One hectare is equal to 1 hectometer into 1 hectometer is equal to 1 hectometer equal to 100 meter. Here 1 hectometer equal to 100 meter. So you have to multiply 100 into 100. So 10,000 meter square. 1 hectare is equal to 1 hectometer into 1 hectometer is equal to 100 meter into 100 meter is equal to 10,000 meter square. Okay children, next area of regular shapes. Area of regular shapes. How we have to find this area of regular shapes? Do you know? The area of regular shapes. Which are the regular shapes are there? Squares, rectangles, triangles and circles. It can be calculated using specific formula. Okay. When we have to calculate this area of squares, area of rectangle, area of triangle and area of circle, we have to use the formula. Listen here, this is the square, this is the rectangle. So area of square is equal to this two sides are same. Okay, length into length, same sides. Sometimes we have to consider this one side is A, means here also A, here A, here A. So all the sides are same. So that L into L, or when we use this number instead of L, we have to use the number A. We have to write A into A, that is A square. Then area of rectangle, it has two sides, length into breadth. It has different sides. Okay, length into breadth. So L into B. This is the area of square. This is the area of rectangle. Okay, next area of irregular shapes. Okay, area of irregular shapes. First we saw area of regular shapes. Next area of irregular shapes. Only the regular shapes have formula, but here in the irregular shapes don't have the formula. Then how we will find the area of irregular shapes? Listen, it do not have fixed dimensions. Okay, in the irregular shapes do not have fixed dimensions. For example, in the palm of our hand and leaf. Okay, how we will find the area of this shape? Listen, we do not have standard formula for calculating their areas. Then to find the approximate area of an irregular shape is used to square centimeter grid. Okay, what is the meaning of square centimeter grid? Do you know? Square centimeter grid is made up of squares of side 1 centimeter. Okay, that is, listen, this is the square centimeter grid. Square centimeter grid. What is the other name of this? Graph. Already you studied in maths, is it? This is the graph. This graph paper is mostly commonly used from the square centimeter grid. Okay. In each sides it has 1 centimeter. The more squares are there, in each side it has 1 centimeter. What is the area of this each square? 1 centimeter square. Okay, area of each square is 1 centimeter square. Now we have to do one activity. How to measure the area of irregular shape using the square centimeter grid or graph paper. Okay. Listen children. Now we are going to do an activity. What is the aim of this activity? Do you know? To measure the approximate area of an irregular shapes using the square centimeter grid or graph paper. Okay. What are the materials needed? This is the graph paper, leaf, then pencil and a pen. Okay. Next, what we have to do? First we have to take the graph paper and trace the outline with the pencil. And I have taken the trace. Okay. Trace of the leaf. Next, there will be some complete squares. After drawing this picture, there will be some complete squares and some incomplete squares within the outline. Okay. Some complete squares, some incomplete squares are there. Then count the number of complete squares and mark these with a tick mark. Okay. Count the number of complete squares and put the tick mark first. Next, count the number of incomplete squares. Incomplete squares are there. Some are off and some more than off inside the shape. Okay. So, sum of off picture of squares and more than off squares also you have to mark with a tick. Next, mark the square that the less than the off squares. Okay, less than the off squares you have to use the cross mark. Next, add up all the squares. We have to add all the squares. Number of squares. Total number of squares counted in complete squares and more than squares pictures. Okay, we have to add that. Then what is that observation? Approximate area of the leaf is called number of full squares. Number of full squares means complete squares and off complete squares. Okay, off complete and more than off complete squares we have to count for this area of leaf. Area of leaf is equal to number of full squares into 1 centimeter squares. For example, here how many complete squares are there? 58. Okay, complete squares and more than off complete squares are 58. So 58 into 1 centimeter square. Next, 58 into 1 is equal to 50 centimeter square. And this is the area of irregular shapes. How to find the irregular shapes? Now I am asking one question. Can you find area of irregular shapes? Yes, using the square centimeter grid we can find the area of irregular shapes. Next, comparison of area and volume. This is the area, this is the volume. Okay, this is the object, that is cuboid. Okay, cuboid, this is the volume. Next, this rectangle have 2 dimensions. Cuboid have 2 dimensions, L into B. 2 dimensions, L into B. In the volume has 3 dimensions. That, for example, it is a fish tank. Okay, this is the amount of surface covered by a closed area. Amount of surface covered by a closed area. What is the example? Area of a garden. This is amount of space contained by an object. Amount of space contained by an object. It has 2 dimensions. It has 3 dimensions. So what is the formula of area? L into B. Length into breadth. Then what is the volume of this picture? L into breadth into height. L into B into height. What is the SI unit of area? Square unit. SI unit of area is square unit. That is example of meter square, centimeter square and kilometer square. What is the formula of SI unit of volume is cubic unit. That is meter cube, centimeter cube and kilometer cube. What are the portions we have studied today? Measurement of area. Okay, what is the meaning of area? The amount of surface covered by a closed shape. Okay, what is the SI unit of area? It is the square meter. That means M into M. What is the symbol of square meter? Meter square. Okay children, today's our portion is completed. Next topic we can see the next class. Thank you.